Hello, once again I have brought working and updated strategy. In this I have set trade expiry time of 2 minutes and added 2 indicators. We will trade with 2 moving averages and MACD. In this you can see how I have grown my account. Let's first understand some trades, how easy the strategy is, and after that we will tell you the complete setup of the strategy in detail. Here both the moving averages have crossed each other as there is a good distance between both the moving averages. Now MACD are also crossing each other and going up. All you have to do is take both the confirmations and take the trade. Here we have placed a trade, but it's a late entry, that's why we have lost here, but still see how magically we increase our capital with this strategy. Last time we used this strategy, but in this you had to enter the trade a little early, otherwise the chart would reverse. For the same reason, this time we are going to upgrade it and add another indicator. So let's take a closer look at this indicator. Here we have changed both the indicators, but the method of taking trades remains the same. This time we have added the Keltner channel and another indicator, the stochastic oscillator. Now the stochastic oscillator has given confirmation in the downward direction, and the chart appears to be moving down from the middle line of the Keltner channel. Just with this confirmation we have taken small amount 2 minutes trade in the down direction. Let's see what happens. So it wins in the last because it was guaranteed more in the downside. Now since we have won the first trade, this time we will take a double amount trade after seeing a good confirmation. Here the first trade is a win. Let's find the second confirmation. So now here I have already taken double amount trade because it shows resistance level, and after every 2-3 green candles red candles appear. So after calculating this, I have chosen small expiry time. Let's see what happens. Our second trade has also won, and now the next trade will be taken with the amount of profit. Let's find a good chart. Okay, now here you can see that the chart is continuously going down, but this time there is a small pullback. And this time, this pullback will definitely move the chart down from here to the bottom line of the Keltner channel. It's a chart pattern, let's see what happens. It's a profit, let's move on. Let's find a good confirmation once again. Here the uptrend starts after the downtrend. Still it will go down because after so many downtrends it will not go directly up. I can see the confirmation of both the indicators. And right here the red candles, that is the pressure, is visible in the downward direction. There will definitely be a small pullback, so that's why we wait to win the trade by taking the trade at the right time and right place. Right now we have come from $35 to $400. Now after winning this trade our balance has increased from $1,200 to $1,800. Let's go ahead, got a good confirmation this time too, but now reducing the risk, let's take a trade at $100. This chart was continuously going down, but this time the trade is lost as it did not have downside movements like before. Let's go ahead. There is a good resistance level here, and this time also the market seems to be moving lower than before. So we have taken a 2 minute trade on the right line. Let's see its results.